From the outside, this bedroom looks like a regular one, but inside lies a hidden world of imagination and fun. Let's watch how this kid set up this bedroom by his own hand. This bedroom isn't spacious. The old setup doesn't match the kid's evolving tastes. To meet their son's desire for a multifunctional space and keep up with his growth, his parent decided to clear out the room and let him redesign it himself. Firstly, build a wardrobe without a ceiling at the foot of his bed. Hang his jackets and pants on one side, a longer coat on the other. Place his shoes at the bottom drawer, along with his smelly socks. Mount a full-length mirror at the end to nurture his sense of style early on. Then, construct the bed frame using galvanized square steels. Borrow some bucks from his aunt to buy screws and firmly attach it to the wall. Use eco-friendly wood veneer and cover it with a special rack for breathability. Add a soft wood veneer backrest for comfort while reading or enjoying the bedside lights. Create a storage compartment on the side with a switch socket for bedtime essentials, encouraging his reading habit. Don't forget to get a small projector for him and lay down a soft mattress for a cozy sleep. Install an iron guardrail to prevent him from rolling off and add a ladder to foster discipline in climbing into bed daily, keeping his body strong. Install bookcases under the bed to store thousands of books. Extend a suspended desk next to it, with enough space for school supplies without feeling cramped. Keep small tools in the drawer and hang a small blackboard nearby to aid in memorizing formulas, ensuring a conducive learning environment. Convert the bed into a study space by folding up the board and revealing the ladder, his secret passage. Set up a gaming table by the window, equipped with a high-end computer for his entertainment. Create a storage cabinet in the corner to display his prized possessions, bringing joy even when the door is closed. Extend a snack rack for his favorite munchies and include a small refrigerator for drinks, keeping him content and calm. This esports haven shields him from outside distractions, fostering a sense of transcendence. The bedroom boasts ample dressing, study, and seating areas, fulfilling every child's dream bedroom.